Hello students, we are on chapter 3 MS Paint. In today's video I will show you how you can select a particular part of the drawing, how can you copy, cut and paste parts of the drawing. So I have selected this picture which is drawn by the use of the shape tool. The heart shape and the lightning shape is used to draw this picture. Copy and paste is also used. So first I will show you how you can select a part of the drawing. For doing any kind of thing, for cutting any part, for pasting or copying, we first need to select that part which we want to work with. Say I want to remove this heart from the picture. So what I will have to do is first select this heart. To select this heart, I will go here on the select option. You can see here is a drop down arrow. On clicking on this drop down arrow, I will get two more options. This is rectangular selection and freeform selection. Rectangular selection is used to select any rectangular portion of the drawing. Say if I want to select this rectangular portion of the drawing, I will use rectangular selection. Or if I want to just remove this heart, it does not matter that it is removed from which shape, it is removed by which shape, then I can use freeform selection. I will show you both the things. Say for rectangular selection, I have clicked on rectangular selection. I will drag it like this. This part of the drawing is selected for being cut. So then I will click on this cut. Here is this cut. The pointer is here. On clicking on this cut, you will notice that this heart will get removed. I'll click on this cut and this heart got removed. Now I will show you another thing that happens with rectangular selection is that suppose I have selected this rectangular selection and I have dragged it this much. Say the complete half of this heart I want to remove. Half portion of this heart, and these three hearts completely will be removed. So I have selected this part. These dotted lines, the parts inside these dotted lines will get removed when I will click on copy. Just I will click it and you will observe the change. This part of the drawing got removed. Now if I want to remove, say, the upper U of this heart, I want to remove this heart, the top of this heart in U shape. For that I can't use rectangular selection, but I will have to use freeform selection. Select freeform selection. This portion of the heart will be removed in U shape. I'll click on cut. Though you can see that this rectangular dotted rectangle has come, but it will remove only the part which I have marked with freeform selection. Only that part that was marked with freeform selection got removed. So I want to remove a triangle part from this half, this lower half of the heart. Again freeform selection. I will remove it in triangle shape. Cut, removed. So these are the two differences between freeform selection and rectangular selection. It depends on your requirements that which selection you will use. Rectangular selection removes rectangular portion of the drawing, and freeform selection can be used for removing or copying any shape that you want. You will have to draw the lines with freehand. Now I will show you the use of copy and paste. For that, first I will remove this left part. Let me use rectangular selection to remove the complete left part. This part of the drawing I want to remove. I can adjust the line, then drag it. Now I will click on cut and this part got removed. This part was left. So let me remove it again. Cut, it got removed. Now the same part that is on the right hand side, I want to copy it on the left hand side. I don't want to repeat that task by selecting the shape and coloring it, filling with color. I don't want to do that. I have the option of pasting. MS Paint provides this option, so I will use that. For that again I will have to select the part. I can use any one. In this drawing both freehand selection, both freeform selection and rectangular selection will give me same result. So let me use rectangular selection. I will drag it from here. I'll drag it from here. This part of the drawing got selected. Now I will copy it. What I want to paste, I'll have to copy first and then paste it. Where I want to paste? I want to paste it here. I can drag the position. I can change the position where I want to paste. It will provide me that opportunity also. So say I want to paste it here. And I will leave it. I will click anywhere outside and it got pasted. Instead of doing the things manually again, I have copied it from here and again pasted it. So this is all about cut, copy and paste and the use of rectangular selection and freeform selection. I hope this video will be helpful, students. After watching this video, read the pages of the book and then try to do the worksheet at the end of the chapter. Next day I will help you with the answers of the worksheet. Till then, take care.